Hello family, you are once again welcome to our channel. Kindly sit back as we take you through the process of today's recipe, garden eggs and Egusi stew with yam and plantain. Stick and stay. These are all the ingredients for today's recipe. We have yam, ripe plantain, salt, tomato paste, oil, onion, garden eggs, dried fish or Amani, mashed Egusi, eggs, tomatoes, pepper, Momoni, mackerel, and plantain. These are ingredients ever ready for today's recipe. Put charcoal into the coal pot. Light up the fire and put pieces of wood onto it. Put a pot on fire, pour water into it and begin to slice the garden eggs. Put the sliced garden eggs into the pot on fire and cover to boil. Cut the tomatoes into two, take out the seeds. Cut the onions into two slices and begin to cut the tomatoes into slices. Continue to slice the onions. Check the garden eggs on fire and begin to grind the pepper. Take the garden eggs off the fire and begin to grind. Charcoal to the fire, put a frying pan on it, add the oil, Put the momoni into the oil, stir and put the onions into it. Add the tomatoes and stir together. Add the dried fish and stir. Pour water into the mashed egusi, stir and pour gently into the stew. Add the mashed garden eggs and pepper to the stew and stir together. Crack the eggs, stir, add to the stew and stir together. Take out the seeds from the garden eggs and add to the stew. Wash the mackerel, break it into pieces and add to the stew as well. Add slices of onions and salt, stir and take it off the fire. We now peel the yam and plantain, put it in the bowl. Add charcoal to the coal pot. Put a pot onto the coal pot. Put water onto the yam and plantain. Pour water into the pot on fire. Wash the yam and plantain and put it into the pot on fire. Add salt and put the eggs onto it and cover to boil. The yam begins to boil, we check and cover to continue boiling. The yam and plantain is now ready. Take it off the fire and strain the water out from it. Put the eggs and plantain into the warm water. Begin to serve the stew into an earthenware bowl. Garnish with the yam, plantain, and eggs and begin to enjoy. If you really enjoyed this food process, give us a thumbs up and kindly leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. See you in our next video. Stay safe.